Presenting the Revuelto, Lamborghini's replacement for its former flagship vehicle, the Aventador. The luxury car manufacturer has officially bid goodbye to the era of gasoline-guzzling engines and has taken a step into the future with its first high-performance electrified vehicle. The Revuelto was unveiled at the Lamborghini 60th anniversary, replacing the all-time great Aventador, which has had a fantastic run for the last 12 years. While this latest V12-powered car is only the sixth new model to be released in 60 years, it boasts several Lamborghini firsts and provides provocative hints about the company's engineering plans for the future. Join us as we examine just what this latest vehicle is all about, and if it lives up to Lamborghini's legacy of producing extreme performance machines, sought after by enthusiasts worldwide. Lamborghini has built a reputation for itself as one of Italy's most prominent car brands, having produced iconic cars such as the Aventador, Urus, Countach, Diavolo, and more. So, although the Revuelto is Lamborghini's first electric vehicle, it's quite in line with Lamborghini's legacy of creating thrilling, high-performance vehicles. The Revuelto follows the Aventador, which has been the flagship vehicle of Lamborghini since 2011. The Aventador vehicles were an engineering masterpiece, all uniquely designed in such a way that was pretty hard to beat, until now. Just like the Aventador, the Revuelto takes its name from a famous Spanish fighting bull, but the Revuelto can also be translated to mean scrambled or mixed up, which is fitting for a couple of reasons. First is that the Revuelto combines design elements from previous models, such as the Murcielago, Diablo, and Countach, to create a unique look. But more fittingly, it's called the Revuelto because it's the first Lamborghini vehicle that combines dual power sources. According to the company's CTO, Reuven Moore, most of the company's longtime supporters have been anticipating this switch, and as such, are probably not very surprised by the Revuelto's hybrid drivetrain and digital interface. However, he assured customers that despite the changes, the Revuelto is still very much a Lamborghini, and it has all the traits that make a Lamborghini unique, from the insane acceleration to the road-eating sound and the bold design. So let's examine if he delivered on this promise. Starting with its design, the Revuelto maintains a single center line that is the hallmark of Lamborghini's design language, but it also has innovative sharp lines and sleek curves that give it a distinctly modern look. The car's exterior features compact LED headlights that are situated beneath the bonnet's overhang, and visible radar sensors have been incorporated into the front grille. There are large air intakes behind the front doors which define the vehicle's side profile, with buttress-style wing elements positioned above them. A deployable spoiler keeps the rear of the car clean, and the engine is visible through a carbon fiber rear bonnet aperture. Moving on to its interior, the Revuelto noticeably has more headroom and legroom than its predecessor, the Aventador. There's even enough space behind the seats to fit a single golf bag, and the trunk can hold 2 carry-on luggage bags. In the design of the interior, the vehicle is probably closer to being a space racecraft than a traditional automobile, with a driver-focused approach and a futuristic environment that seamlessly connects the driver with the machine. The car's driving controls are integrated into the steering wheel, with separate controls for the dynamic powertrain modes and an 8.4-inch infotainment touchscreen. Its digital interface also includes a passenger-side dashboard, 9.1-inch screen showing the vehicle's speed, drive gear, and torque distribution. Moreover, there are other elements from past Lamborghini models, such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which highlight its new functional features. However, what truly sets the Revuelto apart from previous Lamborghini models is its hybrid powertrain. The mid-mounted 814 horsepower 6.5-liter V12 engine is naturally aspirated and can reach 9,500 RPM redline. In comparison, the top-of-the-line outgoing Aventador, called the LP780-4 Ultima, produces about 769 horsepower. This means that the Revuelto already has more power than the Ultima, even before considering the hybrid system. Now, combined with its electric motor system, the Revuelto's powertrain can deliver up to 1,001 horsepower, making it the most powerful Lamborghini ever and the most powerful plug-in hybrid on the market. The V12 engine, a Lamborghini icon, is prominently displayed in the rear, while the wedge-shaped proportions that have been a staple of the brand since the Countach are also present. The engine has been optimized to coexist harmoniously with its 3 electric motors, 2 on the front E-axle and 1 behind the engine. The forward motors drive the front wheels, while the third is integrated into the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and assists the V12 gas engine on the rear axle. The V12 engine itself has undergone a complete revolution, with a new combustion system, exhaust system, intake system, oil and water system, improved valve train, and weight reduction of 33.5 kilograms. These modifications, in addition to the electric engines, means the Revuelto can reach top speeds of over 350 kilometers an hour and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour faster than you can say Revuelto. In figures, that's 2.5 seconds. The battery pack of the Revuelto is located in what was previously considered the transmission tunnel and stores a modest 3.8 kilowatt hours of charge. The battery is lighter than most batteries, weighing 70 kilograms, with the front motors adding another 80 kilograms of mass. Its peak flow rate is the limiting factor on electrical assistance, with a maximum of 140 kilowatts, equating to 187 bhp. And it can be recharged directly by the V12 engine through the rear motor in just 6 minutes. The rear electric motor adds assistance to one shaft in the dual-clutch gearbox, allowing both sides of the powertrain to drive different gears simultaneously. Still on the subject of drive gears, the Revuelto's transversely installed 8-speed double-clutch gearbox offers several benefits, including improved weight distribution, more cabin space, and better hybrid capabilities. Its location with the rear electric motor allows the gearbox to either recharge the battery or support the electric drive, enhancing the vehicle's performance. The gear selector is similar to older models with a reverse lever and a flip-up cover for the starter button. However, the steering wheel and its 13 driving mode configurations are all new. The wheel is inspired by Lamborghini's Squadra Corse race cars and includes 2 rotary controls that let drivers alternate between City, Strada, Sport, and Corsa modes to alter the V12 engine's capabilities. Its City mode prioritizes EV running, while Strada keeps the V12 engaged, but the transmission and adaptive dampers remain comfort-biased. The Sport mode offers 3 sub-modes, which are the Recharge, Hybrid, and Performance modes, and can reach up to 895 horsepower. Lastly, the Corsa mode unlocks the powertrain's full 1001 horsepower. Bypassing the Recharge setting for the Performance mode, the gearbox includes a dual-clutch system that enables various shift profiles to optimize these driving modes, and the vehicle can drive on all 4 wheels and reverse under electric power. Another important feature Lamborghini seems to have perfected in auto craftsmanship is their approach to aerodynamics in the Revuelto. The approach to aerodynamics is based on 4 key pillars, which are efficiency, component synergy, integration, and design inspiration. This approach aims to improve downforce and reduce drag, ensure proper mass flow, incorporate brake cooling through aerodynamics, and consider aerodynamic elements from the beginning of the design process. While there is no official figure for the peak downforce, it's speculated to be similar to that of the Aventador SVJ, with its adjustable wing in its lowest drag configuration. However, there's a downside to the Revuelto, which is that the vehicle is expected to be heavier than its predecessor, the Aventador, due to its hybrid system. It's been estimated to have a power-to-weight ratio of 563 bhp per ton, which translates to 1,776 kilograms. The carbon fiber tub is 40% stiffer than the previous generation and features a composite front crash structure, a first in a road car. This, however, doesn't detract from the fact that despite the evolving automotive landscape, Lamborghini has managed to produce a vehicle that balances its high-performance ethos with the demands of sustainability, 2 goals that traditionally seem opposed until now. With all the spectacular features listed so far, it's no surprise that the waiting list for the Revuelto is quite lengthy. Due to the exclusivity of the vehicle, it has already gained immense success with the first 2 years of production already sold out. Lamborghini revealed that the vehicle will be going into production in the second half of 2023, and its new owners can expect to receive their cars by the end of the year. However, there's no official word on the pricing yet, but several sources estimate it will cost more than the Aventador, which is around $600,000 or 500,000 euros. Ultimately, whilst some purists may bemoan Lamborghini's move towards electrification, real enthusiasts have been able to appreciate how the addition of electric power has brought the latest version of Lamborghini vehicles to deliver an unprecedented level of performance. So, let us know in the comments if you think the Revuelto is a worthy successor to the Aventador. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome car content.